Okay. Getting a demo of a Power Wheels. What size speaker?
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Alright, come on, let's come and see. So what kind of vehicle is this starting off with? A Power Wheel system? Wow. So is this amp not hooked up?
No, it's just on one solid 8 right now.
Okay. So it's just on this side. Nice. You're good. How many subs are on this and what's the impedance, ohm? Yeah, 4 subs, 6?
4.
4 subs, okay.
The one in the back.
Okay. Wow. What size are these? What size are they? 4s, 3s? What size speaker? 12-inch subwoofer. Really? All right. Nice. Okay. Nice. And you're able to control it from this. Where's your battery bank? Underneath? All right. Wow. How much lithium's in it? Do you know the lithium bank? 90 amp hour? Okay. All right. Sweet. And what is your SPL score out of it? What's the SPL score? 69?
Yeah, 69.5 on a single salt 12 with LCS was actually.
Wow.
I think he did like a 63.9 today.
Okay. Yeah, appreciate it. Wow. And you're going to eventually hook that second one to it. That's pretty crazy. Huh.
It's already crazy.
All right. You want to turn it on for me?
Do you want to sync or do you want me to sync?
Yeah. So that's a 4th order. What's the ratio on it?
Roughly 3 to 1.
3 to 1? So the box is like...
Yeah, the baffle sits about right about here.
Okay.
So maybe closer to a 4 to 1 actually.
All right. Sweet. I've never seen something like this. This is pretty sweet. So 2 more questions. How many cubes is this box total that you work with and tuning?
Those are very difficult questions.
Like port tuning roughly number wise and the cubes.
54?
Wow. Really? 54 cubes in this thing?
No,
Huh?
54.
Oh, okay, tuning, got it.
Cubic feet is roughly. I have no idea. We kind of built it more for the. We lined up the science of quarter wave, not necessarily.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm getting a demo of a Power Wheels.
Very good for the song.
I like all of that work and it's worth the playtime.
Probably overheating.
second, no second. 32 shots going 32 seconds. Pulling up, but I feel the respect. With the fucks in my snatch, on my neck, on my neck. About my reputation, man. These niggas keep me in their conversation. Won't even tell me congratulations. I don't fuck with nobody. I'm we pull up and unload sticks out the trunk. I can't fuck with niggas for nothing. I don't celebrate Black History Month. I'm going straight in like fuck a hook. Switch to some forces like fuck a look. I'm fan for real, freaky. Shout out CMG, I looked up the juke. And I don't even know nigga vouching for me. If it's war, then it's war. I ain't squashing nothing. My little niggas on go, I ain't stopping nothing. Need Drake on my hip, give me time. From a zip off of crumbs, I'm in control of the slum. Housing authority, pack up and move so much till we don't even know where we from. Broke is a joke, we shared each other hoes, we wearing each other clothes. Stood over stove, stood over taller, they cut off the water and kick in the dome. First, it ain't no second, no second. 32 shots going 32 seconds. Pulling up, but I feel the respect. With the fucks in my snatch. Pulling up, but I feel the respect. With the fucks in my snatch, on my neck, on my neck. About my reputation, man. These niggas keep me in their conversation. Won't even tell me congratulations. I don't fuck with nobody. I'm masturbate.
That's wild. Man, I appreciate the demo. That's pretty sweet.
Thank you.
I didn't expect to actually see a 12 fit in there. That's crazy. I thought they were like 6s or 8s.
Yeah, it's a Florida back.
Yeah.
The next build we're working on should be pretty crazy. It should have like, I don't know, like 9 8s or something.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hopefully the Z's if they come out by then.
Yeah. That'll be cool.